Welcome to Giant Snakes, the world's largest serpents. In this video, I will be exploring the biology, behavior, and ecology of the largest snakes in the world. I want to show you some of these amazing creatures up close, and I will make you learn about their fascinating history. The largest snakes in the world are found in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, swamps, and grasslands. They range in size from the 18-foot-long king cobra to the 33-foot-long green anaconda. Some of the largest snakes in the world are constrictors. This means that they kill their prey by wrapping their bodies around it and squeezing until it suffocates. Other large snakes, such as the king cobra, are venomous. They inject their prey with a deadly venom that can kill in minutes. The largest snake that ever lived was Titanoboa. This giant snake lived in what is now Colombia about 60 million years ago. It was up to 50 feet long and weighed up to 2,500 pounds. Giant snakes are fascinating creatures. They are some of the most powerful predators on Earth, and they have a long and fascinating history. In this documentary, I have only scratched the surface of what we all know about these amazing animals. I hope you've enjoyed learning about them as much as I have. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.